at our first big challenge of our little expedition here. It's crossing Black Creek. We have two options. We have a narrow, really swift crossing right up over the hill here. That'll be really tricky. We're bound to get wet, for sure. Or we have the option of crossing the Beaver Dam right here, which is a natural crossing, which I think I'm going to try. But you want to keep it safe, so what you want to do is make sure you unbuckle all your clips on your pack. In case you fall over, you don't want to have your pack pull you in. Just drop it, pick it up down here. And hopefully everything is dry proof in your pack. That's some good preparation.